This is the Kudremukh Corporation Limited. Right, so we get down here and then walk towards the checkpost for Kurinjal, and also Gangadikal, everything is the same point. So we get down. So Kudremukh is the side, and then we have to go this way for the checkpost for Kurinjal. We are waiting for the checkpost guys to check our baggage. So again, this is the place where the checking happens. And there is a toilet here. So this is the Bhagwati Nature Camp. So from here the trek starts, Kurinjal trek. So here the bags get checked up, and then we start the trek. 7 kilometers trek it is. So now we start the trek. So this is the way it's supposed to go, 7 kilometers from here. So the baggage check happened here. And then we start our trek here. So restrooms are there. Okay, so that's not an issue. It's been raining. Then stops, rain stops, rain stops. So it's a typical monsoon weather. So let's see how it is till we reach the peak. Because the peak area there is a steep climb of 1 kilometer, I think. Nadi baruttalla. ಅದು ಯಾವ ನದಿ ಅದು? ಹಾಂ, ಭದ್ರಾ ನದಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್ಶನ್ ದಿ ಗೈಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ? 2 hours. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ slushy because it's been raining now. So even morning it was like raining and then stopped, and rains and stopped. So you can see it's all nice streams, small streams. So this is the 3rd of July where we're doing the trek. Yeah, so it's a height of monsoon. This place is known for a lot of leeches. So what we've done is this time we are wearing the leech socks. Hopefully it is effective. So these are leech socks what we are wearing right now. It's really wet. So that's a team there. So that's the stream crossing. We have to cross first one. Okay, so we are crossing the stream. And there's a stream here. Suddenly it clears. Suddenly there is rain. Today's forecast is supposed to be like that only, and also some heavy showers. Let's see how it is as the day progresses. Beautiful, right? Western Ghats. You can hear another stream now. So it's another small falls. Looks like I can hear the sound somewhere here. Somewhere here I can see it's a falls actually. Let's see. Trail is well marked, so that's not an issue. Though there are no signboards, but there are some boards which talk about Kurinjal and the details, so that should be a path. So there's another stream here. Nice it is. Everywhere there are a lot of streams running like this. So beautiful, right? There it is. One more stream now. You see? A lot of small streams. Beautiful it is. Started drizzling now again. So it keeps drizzling, then again stops. Drizzling, stops. Sometimes it could be heavy rain according to the forecast. Let's see. So we're going to cross the Bhadra river now. So this is the river right now. Bhadra river. Right? So beautiful it is. You see? So this is Bhadra river. Okay? And of course it's drizzling. So beautiful it is. Wow. Lot of streams all joining to, form this river. You can see here. A little bit of incline right now, climbing terrains like this. So there are leeches definitely. So one is to spray Dettol on your shoes. Best way of removing the leech is to use some credit card or some kind of a similar metal kind of thing, flick it so it will come off. 1 kilometer ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಚಂದ. There are leeches. The moment you stop for a few seconds, then they get onto your shoes, leg, etc. So just keep moving. There are marks like this in some places. Yeah, but otherwise the trail is clearly marked. You don't have any confusion, I guess, as of now. Okay, so the guide is saying here you can also have some animals sighting, but typically during the day ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? So elephants, ಚಿರತೆ, okay, ಚಿರತೆ, okay, leopard. Okay, so these are some wild animals sighting here. Just look at this forest section, so beautiful it is. Dense jungle. It's also raining a little bit. So beautiful. Buddies group walking. Back buddies. Man, fantastic it is. Air is so pure and fresh. A lot of streams like this, and you stand here, suddenly you'll have leeches on your boots. So the idea is not to stand. So 4 done and 3 more to go. Okay, so it says Kurinjal Shikarakke Dari. Okay, so 3 more kilometers to the peak. So this is another falls here. Of course the drinking water also it says, so you can take water from here. So beautiful. Okay, so it started raining now. It's pouring now. Okay, till now it was stable. Now it's really pouring. Wow. Another 2 kilometers and then we'll get into the peak. Hopefully it stops when it's about to climb the peak. ಆರಾಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಹಲೋ. Just look at this, yeah, nothing you can see. It's all fully raining, misty. It's pouring now. 2 kilometers to go to the summit. Huh? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತವ್ರೆ ಗೈಡು, ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ. So we have to climb up. Let's see, he's taking us a shortcut. This guide is taking us to a shortcut. And then we'll reach somewhere. Another path which is a longer path. Let's see. Mara hang bartiva? Yeah, okay. So basically we are climbing up this boulder. Okay. Just look at the view here, man. Path like this. We have to climb up. Okay. It's supposed to be a shortcut. There was one more way which we saw, but we're coming like this. So there's normal here. So this is one way. ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಜಾಗ ಅದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ದಲ್ಲ
ಹಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು
ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹತ್ತೋದಮ್ಮ
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2 kilometers stretch you have to climb up so you're climbing the shortcut so you go like this I believe that path comes and joins under there right so everyone's coming up this is the view the normal route which is the longest route I believe but we can go climb up like this so there's Naramaki again so I climb up there's a shortcut I believe let's see So this shortcut what we came, okay, joins this road again, the normal route. So we normally come and join here. Can you see that? People are coming. So the guide basically brought us through a shortcut. So that's clearing now again. So that's a Kurinjal Peak. And then this is the peak which you have to climb now. So from here it is 1 kilometer. You can see the board here. This is 1 kilometer. Kurinjal Peak, 1 kilometer. Okay, so you need to climb up this one. So that's the Kudremukh National Company's wireless setup, which has been now abandoned. That's become the launch point now. Then we climb up, and then there should be a path to climb on top to the summit. The rain has stopped, fortunately. That's a good part. And then this is the scene from top. Just look at it, so beautiful. Wow. This is the scene as you climb up. This is Kurinjal Peak. Very beautiful. Gentle walk. Okay, so we are going through some bushes here. Okay, then we come out. Here they are slippery, so you have to be careful here. It's all watery and slippery stones, so just be careful when you're climbing. Okay. Yeah, so reminds me of our Skandagiri also, but then the path is a little more wider there. Here the path is not wider. Okay. This way. There's one more way here. Just look at the way we're going. This path is more nicer actually. Okay, maybe that shortcut is also adventurous, but this looks more scenic. Hello? Sudha, good no?
Wonderful.
Looks very scenic actually, this route.
The more inside you go,
Yeah. Huh? The route is scenic aಗಿದೆ. No, half. Okay, so we are approaching the abandoned wireless station, whatever, of Kudremukh National Limited. So this has become the lunch point. You can see there's written there, lunch point. Okay, and this is the abandoned. This is supposed to be a wireless office. It was a wireless communication office, and yeah, inside nothing is there. Yeah, so it's all abandoned. You can see it's all abandoned actually. So the last 1 kilometer basically is a full climb, steep climb, and then of course you have boulders like this to climb. Okay, so you need to climb with these boulders. Have good shoes. Okay, so you need to climb up like that. So you have to climb up like that from the boulders. Okay. Okay, so we have come to the Kurinjal Peak finally. Okay, wow, just look at the view, man. This is the peak. We have to climb. Okay, so this is the peak now. Photo thought camera before it starts raining, huh? So we finished Kurinjal Peak, and now we are going back down. It's been an amazing trek. Okay, so now when we go back, I believe this is a shortcut. So it will reduce by 1 kilometer. So let's go here. Idalva? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So this is a shortcut. Of course you need to Come down like this. Just be careful. Sometimes it can slip. So there's a shortcut by 1 kilometer, I believe. So we're going down this path. Hey, branches ಇದೆ ಹುಷಾರು, ಕಾಲು ಹುಷಾರು. Just look at it here, so beautiful, man. This walk, especially walk back again, is even more beautiful. We are coming through some shortcut, and that is fully forest, complete forest. Just too good. It's fully raining, so returning back. It's pouring now. Okay, this stream must become even bigger now. Right, okay, one more crossing happened. Actually, we are walking on a small stream like this. You see, water is just flowing under our feet throughout, and then they all go and form a big river. That is the Bhadra river.
Somebody, sorry.